Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jamie, and in today's video I'm doing a YSL Double unboxing. I have two items for you guys to reveal. One is in this box and the other is in a handbag, and this one's on my wish list, so I'm very excited to reveal to you guys. So let's get right into the video. So without further ado, this, guys, I wanted to add a little pop of color into my collection, and when I saw this, I thought this was perfect because I think the shade is amazing. Here we go. This is the YSL card holder in the fuchsia color. I think this is the perfect pop of color for spring and summer, and I think it complements so well against so many of my neutral handbags. I'm in love with it. I love how it's got the gold hardware as well, and it's in this design, so it's very user friendly with all the card slots. You might have seen it when I was on Instagram and I went out to drinks. I had this one. It's such a cute wallet. I picked this up when I was at the downtown Chicago boutique, and they just had this one. It just really spoke to me. Okay, the second item I have, this is on my latest wish list video, and I've actually had this handbag before, and the only reason why I didn't keep that bag was because of the hardware. But everything else, I really like this bag, and this is more of a casual style. So any guesses? Okay, here we go. It's the college bag. You guys, this is a beautiful handbag. I'm in love with this, and I'm so excited to have this back in my collection because honestly, this is one of my all-time favorite styles from YSL. Just take a moment. This is in the dark beige leather, that shade. They came out this past season. I think it's beautiful. The dark beige does kind of have more of that warmer pink type of tone, and I love how it pairs so nicely against the gold hardware. And as you know, that was the thing that I did not like before in the prior YSL college bag I had. It was in a beautiful taupe color, and I still think about that taupe shade to this day, but it was just more that gunmetal hardware that it's not really me to have that pairing, so I much prefer the gold hardware. And this does come with a strap. What I love about the college bag is that you get the top handle and this chain strap. I'm excited because I've been missing more of that more of that casual bag in my collection. And if you see my Instagram, I tend to wear a lot more of my Chanel reissue bag as it's a very nice casual bag, that reissue. But I like to have a little bit more variety. If you recall from my wish list video, I talked about college bag, an Evelyn bag, and even a Celine bag, and I even toyed around with the Louis Vuitton Speedy. But this one for sure was, when I saw this dark beige color, and you know their colorways, I was just like, I need to jump on this. And of course, this, I grabbed it before the price increased as well, so I believe the price was about $24.90 when I did purchase this handbag. I'll put the price up on the screen for what it retails for currently. What's so great about the college bag is you have a couple different ways that you can wear this handbag. I'm obsessed with top handles. It's just my favorite way to wear the bag, and then if it has that leather or chain strap, it just makes it even better. So that's why a lot of my handbag styles, they kind of look pretty similar, but I just love that style. It really works for my lifestyle. College bag, I think that when I really think about the YSL line, I would say the college bag is probably one of my favorite styles, up there with the Lulu handbag. but I gotta have that top handle. I think that's what, I probably would take the college bag over the Lulu, I know. But I do love a Lulu, but it just doesn't have a top handle. And this, to me, it makes it so much better, guys. YSL makes beautiful chevron. A lot of my Chanel bags have that classic quilted design, so it's nice to have a little bit more variety. And what I like about the gold hardware too, it's a little bit more, it's not so shiny gold. I mean, it's a little bit more on that aged gold hardware, not like the bright shiny gold that you might see on more of your vintage Chanel bags. So let me grab my vintage Chanel bag so you can just compare hardware. So definitely when I hold it up here, you can see it's definitely more of a shiny gold, and the YSL, it's a little bit more subdued, more that aged gold, I would say. Both are beautiful. And you can see here a divider in the middle here, and I'll have to take some of the stickers and whatnot off, but I think it's a beautiful handbag, perfect for a lot of those day-to-day errands. So I'm going to show you a few ways to wear this handbag. My favorite way is the top handle. I do love the way that the top handle looks on the crook of my arm, and even how the chain strap hangs. I think that's a very chic look. We have it as a shoulder bag. I don't really wear the college bag as a shoulder bag, even though that is a great option and it's at a decent chain length. We also have it as a crossbody. Now, if I don't use it as a top handle bag in the crook of my arm, I will definitely have this bag as a crossbody. As a casual bag, you want to be more hands-free. It looks great and it's so functional this way. I'm just so happy to have this handbag back. And let's see. Talking about the pop of color, I think it looks so cute. That pairing, it's just a little bit of excitement. I think it gives a little bit more pop to my very neutral wardrobe. But I'm like, I love having a little bit of pop, like my pop of lipstick, a pop of wallet color. It's great. So what do you guys think about my newest handbag? Like I said, I am so happy to have this. This is like the perfect combination of a college handbag for me. So I'm just ecstatic that they finally made this version. Yes. So we'll see if I end up getting any of those other casual handbags like the Evelyn Celine. I'm not sure. I'm just going to enjoy this beauty for a while. But let me know what you guys think. And have this guy too of my double YSL unboxing. Thank you guys for joining, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care.